In Excel we can use COUNTIF in two different way, and we can see in this picture that there is a site name. Okay, and we are putting this site name in 3 times. By using one way we can get the site count. Suppose there are 3 times, so 3 in 3 in front of all the site name. And another way to get this count like this, suppose for the first one it will show 3, for the second one it will show as 2, and for the last one it will show 1. Suppose there are 6, then it will start from 6, 5, 4, 3, like up to 1. In here suppose there are 6 same site name, then it will show 6 for each and every site name, against every site name. Okay, let's see. Suppose here I am putting 2 names for 2 different columns and COUNTIF with whole column. Here let's see how we can make it. COUNTIF, then select the whole column. Okay, now comma, and again the first cell. Let's put it there. Now you can see this is for 3 times is present, this side is 3 times present, so every time it is showing 3 against each side name or side ID. And in second case what we will do, COUNTIF bracket start, this time we will manually select all the portion where data is available, starting from the cell where data starts, not the whole column. Okay, the selected portion will be where the data is present. Okay, now comma and bracket close, comma, again the first cell we are selecting the first cell C3, then comma. Now it will become like this. See, for the first it is doing 3, for the second it is doing 2, and for the 0. So this is very useful to see how many unique ID are present. Okay, like this 1, so we will get the unique IDs, that is 7 times is there. So this way we can use COUNTIF formula in two different way as per our requirement. One is see the C whole column, it is selecting the whole column, but here it is selecting only the data portion, starting from where it has started and then end portion. Okay, so thank you, enjoy this video.